will be difficult for me to run away from this congregation, even though I've been restrained not to make comments. But this comment became necessary. Yesterday, I was invited by the Chief Judge of Rivers State to attend the legal hearing. I was written formally to attend. I did not on my own jump up to go and attend the legal hearing because I want to see lawyers. I want to see judges. I want to show that I'm from Rivers State. The Chief Judge wrote to me. I didn't want to come. I've never stayed outside Abuja Thursday. It's not possible for me to leave Abuja on a Thursday. I'm a very busy person. When I mean busy, busy in all ramifications. And I called the Chief Judge. Well, I've made up my mind to come. It's okay, I should come. And I came. Where there's no problem, people plant problems. I don't respect people based because you're a doctor. I don't respect people because you're a judge. I don't respect people based because you're a bishop. No. I respect you based on how you carry yourself, based on your conduct, and your truthfulness, your ability, your capacity. When you see the truth, you say that this is the truth. When you see there's a problem, according to you, you use your position to solve such problems, not to create problems. Nobody does that. So many people talk about war. They have not experienced war. When they experience war, they won't talk about war again. Those who see championing ethnicity, they don't know the effect of it. Some of us are today benefits of what ordinarily you couldn't have gotten it, based on where you come from. Based on where you come from, either by population or by whatever numerical strength. But God has a way to use these people to make certain things to be achievable. My relationship with the others, my respect for them, is not because I'm a governor, no. My relationship with Josundo is not because when I was chief of staff, he was the chief judge, we related, no. I don't like those who have blood of ungratefulness. I don't. As a young lawyer, when I left Isokala to run for chairmanship election, it was just made of the list office I went to, because I did my attachment in her court for law school. That support they gave to me in 1999 is what has kept our relationship up to date. It's not as if they have not taken a decision or decisions that I felt may not have augured well with me. And then I abandoned that in 1999 when I needed people. They were there. Nobody does that. I saw the preachings. I was watching the preaching of Bishop Okojo yesterday. I watched the prayers you pray. As a minister of FCT, I came to the church. Not even the cousin of Shogunan, the minister of FCT, came in. And I laughed. And I laughed. When I was governor here, you were all praising me, heaven and earth, I did, I prayed for me. I did this, I did that, I did that. Fake. 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 I tell people, I'm a politician. I'm not a clergy. I'm a politician. We have our own roles. As a clergy, you have your own roles. I have never asked anybody, how do you preach today? I've never told you this is the way to preach. If you're not a politician, you don't want what happened to a politician to happen to you, be careful. Because once you try yourself to the arena of politics, the mud will also be rubbed on you. If you think there was any problem in this state, at all, if at all, there was any problem, I expected you as a bishop. I expected you as a bishop to try, no, what's happening? No, let me go and see him in Abuja. Assuming. Who has his number? I'm a man of character. I couldn't have become minister of FCT. A non-member of APC to be the FCT minister, not an ordinary minister, FCT minister. You know that I'm a man of character. The president could not have. He can make me a minister, but it will be difficult because that's the seat of power. To give it to somebody who is not in his party. He knows I'm a man of character. And that was why I took the decision I took. And I want to say it today. If I had followed the people who are the bishops, today, somebody would have been governor. Yes. The way you are pushing us to go to, if I followed that path and supported the person who wanted me to support, it wouldn't have been possible. I say it with authority. I stood firm in this country and I said I was going to support a certain president. And I said heaven will not fall. Heaven never fell. And I have no regrets. If I was not stubborn, yes, positive stubbornness. I'm not a man anybody can just push like this. I'm not that kind of person. So what I urge all of you, if you want to help, help. If you have no capacity to help, don't cause more trouble. Because God knows, as I left that place yesterday,